Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. My husband and I are very hot sleepers, and we also fight over the blankets all the time. I was so happy to find this oversized bedding set from Pure Bedding. This is the dark gray, and I love the geometric pattern of it. It is so pretty. But one of my favorite parts is how lightweight it is. Me and my husband are both hot sleepers, so I love that it is thin, but also gives some warmth, but not too much. It can also go right into the washing machine and dryer, which is amazing because I do not have to worry if something gets spilled on it. I also love the size of the shams. We have king size pillows and these fit perfectly. They are not too big and not too small, so I love that. If you're looking for new bedding for your bed and you would like an oversized blanket that will actually help you not fight with your partner, I highly recommend this bedding. It is so perfect for us and you'll love it too. But that's just my point of view.